Explore the top cinema cameras designed for filmmakers and content creators seeking professional quality visuals. The best cinema cameras combine exceptional image quality, robust performance, and user-friendly features, making them ideal for capturing stunning films, documentaries, and video projects. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cinema cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Sony FX6 is a compact powerhouse designed for creators who want professional-grade video in a more accessible format. With its 20.1 megapixel back-illuminated APS-C Exmor RCMOS sensor, it captures 4K footage with stunning clarity, making it ideal for cinematic content. This camera goes beyond Sony's A6000 series, offering advanced features that even challenge the capabilities of the FX3. Equipped with a Sony E-mount, it's compatible with a wide range of high-quality lenses, enhancing creative versatility. Its video-centric design includes features like a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, enabling flexible shooting angles without the need for an electronic viewfinder. The FX6 offers exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range, making it adaptable to various environments and lighting conditions. Additionally, it shoots crisp 26-megapixel stills, bridging the gap between a dedicated video camera and a high-quality stills camera. Perfect for ambitious creators aiming to refine their craft, the FX6's professional-grade features come at a mirrorless price point, bringing cinematic quality to a new audience. The DJI Ronin 4D6K blends portability and power, offering cinematographers a comprehensive all-in-one setup. With a full-frame CMOS sensor and the unique integration of the DJI Zenmuse X9 camera, it redefines what a compact cinema camera can achieve. Unlike modular systems, which require multiple pieces of gear, the Ronin 4D integrates a 4-axis gimbal for seamless stabilization, making it ideal for smooth shots on the move. This all-in-one design minimizes the need for additional rigging, a standout feature for both seasoned professionals and new videographers alike. Weighing just under 11 pounds, this camera may not be the lightest, but compensates with built-in capabilities. Its DJI DL lens mount and 6K max resolution support a range of cinematic possibilities, from crisp ProRes 422 HQ footage to versatile H.264 encoding. The 5.5-inch LCD touchscreen provides a clear interface, although it lacks an EVF. This model pushes boundaries by adopting a hybrid setup, streamlining production while maintaining high-end quality. It's available in an 8K version for even greater resolution flexibility. For filmmakers who prioritize efficiency without sacrificing quality, the Ronin 4D6K delivers a versatile solution, making it a top choice in next-gen cinema cameras. The Blackmagic Ursa Mini Pro 12K is a powerhouse of cinematic technology, renowned for its staggering 79.6 megapixel Super 35 sensor, making it the highest resolution cinema camera available today. Capable of recording in stunning 12K resolution, it captures Blackmagic RAW files while delivering a cinematic quality with 14 stops of dynamic range, producing images with a beautiful, filmic aesthetic. Equipped with dual CFast 2.0 and SD UHS 2 card slots, this camera offers versatility in storage options, ensuring you can handle large files effortlessly. The PL lens mount can be upgraded to EF or F, providing flexibility in your choice of optics. The 4-inch touchscreen display enhances usability, allowing easy adjustments on the fly, while the optional electronic viewfinder offers an immersive shooting experience. While the Ursa Mini Pro 12K excels in resolution and control, it's essential to note its design focuses on seasoned cinematographers. Features like in-body image stabilization and advanced autofocus systems are absent, catering instead to those who value manual control and shooting precision. The Panasonic Lumix BS1H is a versatile box camera tailored for serious video shooters who require adaptability in their workflow. Featuring a robust 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, it employs dual native ISO technology, ensuring excellent performance in low-light environments. With an impressive dynamic range exceeding 14 stops, the BS1H excels in capturing nuanced details and vibrant colors. The optical low-pass filter minimizes moire and false colors, enhancing the overall quality of your footage. This camera offers remarkable recording capabilities, allowing filmmakers to shoot 6K at 24 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second with 10-bit depth using a super 35mm crop. When utilizing the full 35mm sensor area, it captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second in H.2644 by 2x2 format. In the age of live streaming, the BS1H stands out by enabling high-quality 4K streaming at 60 FPS via a wired LAN connection, utilizing H.265 compression to maintain image quality while reducing file size. While the absence of a built-in screen may concern some users, its modular design allows for easy attachment of external recorders, such as the Atomos Ninja V, enabling 12-bit raw video output for the highest quality capture. The Sony FX6 is a professional cinema camera that excels in delivering stunning 4K footage, making it a top choice for filmmakers despite its lack of 6K or 8K capabilities. Featuring a full-frame sensor akin to the acclaimed Sony a7S III, the FX6 is optimized for exceptional low-light performance, enabling filmmakers to capture clear, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. It supports DCI 17:9 aspect ratio, providing filmmakers with a versatile shooting format that enhances cinematic storytelling. Equipped with XLR inputs and built-in ND filters, the FX6 is designed for seamless integration with external microphones and accessories, making it ideal for a variety of professional setups. The camera's robust build reflects traditional cinecamera handling, ensuring easy attachment of monitors and other gear. Its impressive video autofocus system ensures sharp focus on moving subjects, while 10-bit internal recording allows for rich color grading in post-production. Although its portability might not match the A7S Mark III for travel, the FX6 is perfect for studio shoots or on-location projects. The only drawback is its current pre-order status, which could delay delivery. Nevertheless, the FX6 stands out as an exceptional tool for serious filmmakers seeking quality and reliability. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.